Hazrat Hassan Basri Rahmatullah Alayh says, one should perform prayer behind a heretic and the sin of heresy will be on him, the Imam. Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Adi bin Khayar reports, I went to Hazrat Usman bin Affan radiyallahu anhu when he was confined and said, you are the chief of all Muslims, with their unanimous decision, and what has been done to you? We are witnessing it, and a mischief monger is leading us in prayer, and we dislike it. He said, prayer is the best thing among the people's deeds, and when people perform good deeds, you should also do good deeds along with them. And if they perform evil deeds, you should keep yourselves away from their evil deeds. Zubaydi said that Zuhri said, it is not right according to my views. To perform prayer in the leadership of a eunuch serves in extreme exigency when there is no way out. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 695.